Hello and welcome back, guys. I'm going to go ahead and do a quick video on how to do the 3 different colors in the center, since I've had so many students ask me how to do that step. So I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to take a look at this. So I have this wheel here. I already have it adjusted. Basically, to explain it to you, all we have to do is add 3 color adjustment layers, just like we did before. The only difference is we're going to flip the mask to hide the color change and then paint it in the area where we want to show it. So I'm going to walk you through that process real quick. I'm going to go ahead and delete those right here. So here's the original wheel, which happens to be this blue color. And I'm going to add a solid color adjustment layer. And I'm going to pick, let's do red, something we can see really easily. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to clip it. I'm going to change the mode to color. And that's everything that we've done previously. So the only difference now is I'm going to add 2 more of these. I'm going to do a blue one and a yellow one, but I'm going to kind of skip that step. But I'm going to show you how to modify this. So we're going to go to this layer. It comes with a mask. So we're going to invert the mask. So by default, when it's white, it means that it's going to show the color change. So if I hit Control I, so Control I on the keyboard is going to hide the color change because it turns the mask black and it hides it. So what I would do for each of these masks, I'm going to have 3 of them, a yellow one and a blue one, although I probably don't need a blue one in this image. And I would just now go to the mask part. I'm going to select a brush, and I would make sure that it has this, go under general brushes here, choose hard round brush. This is a little big what I have right now, so I'm going to go a little bit smaller here, something like that. And then you're simply going to paint on this mask layer where you want to show the color change. So if I want to make it red over where it's red here, I would probably go like that. And this is not going to be 100% precise, but I don't think I would worry too much about that. So I'm literally painting white on this mask layer to show the color change in the area where I want it. So I would paint this, and again, not being super careful. And you're just going to repeat that for your other 2 colors. So I could very simply duplicate this mask, or duplicate that adjustment layer, change the color on this one to be yellow. There's my yellow. It's a little bit off, but let's roll with that. And I have it, it's already in that same area. So I'm going to go ahead and just hit, whoops. Let me put that back. Okay, I'm going to hit Control I. Oops, now I flipped it over to the other side. I'm making a mess of this video. Let's go ahead and just paint that back to black. I'll make that real big here. This is why I would make the, I would kind of make each of these first before you do the masking part. So make all of your adjustment layers, and then one by one go through. Grab your white, grab that hard round brush, and then I would just paint the area on this one where I want it to color change to yellow. Do that. And for this, I think that's probably all I would need to do, because the blue is already blue. The only difference is kind of some of the graphics on that wheel are coming out a little bit different. So that's it. Really, it's just basically 3 adjustment layers, the same thing that we did with everything else on the color wheel. We are just going to invert the mask layer. So click on the mask layer, hit Control I to invert it, make it black, and then paint with white where you actually want to show the color change. And that's it. All right, good luck.